Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all the students. As per the announcement made on 1st of June, we have already started our online lectures from yesterday, that is from 2nd of June. Students, we try our best and we are trying our best just to give you a better quality lectures with more better volume, a good visibility also, and everything should be there. And many a times I said, please don't compare the school lectures, regular school lectures with the online. I think more or less we are trying our best. Now every day I am going to present the report of the daily lectures uploaded. Every day I am going to give you the daily report of the lectures, so that even students should also come to know, parents should also come to know that what is actually going on. Students and parents, yesterday I would like to say for class 8, the subjects lectures uploaded: mathematics, physics, SS and English. And overall average 65 to 70% students have seen the lectures. So 65-70% is not a bad one. I know maybe that some students may be busy, so they will see later on also. But still we want 100% contribution. And especially when you have subject like maths, physics, SS and English, all four main subjects are there. And I have seen all the lectures. I think maybe teachers have done their job wonderfully well, fabulously well. So we need your support, we need your contribution, we need your participation. Every day we are uploading 4-5 lectures for all the classes, and then every day suppose if only we are getting 55-60%, then it may demotivate us. So try to participate 100% and try to see the video not just for few seconds. See entire video please. And don't keep this mentality in your mind, first impression is not always last impression. Because teachers are changed now. Earlier we have done videos from home, right now we are doing from school. So definitely that the quality of the video is also changed. So see entire video please, okay, till the school reopen. Class 8, again I say 65 to 70% students have seen the videos. Subjects were maths, physics, SS and English. Second, 9th standard, the subject was yesterday, videos uploaded, maths, biology, Hindi. And I think 55% students have seen the videos till now. 55% means half the students. Students, when maths is there and we are getting 50%, I am not comparing our online lectures with other schools and all that. That is not my priority. Different schools have different abilities and different their own modus operandi. I am just comparing my performance, our school performance of today with yesterday. So we want your 100% participation in class 9 also. It has been observed that in class 9 earlier maybe 90-95% participation was there, but now I think students, you need to take it seriously. Mathematics, biology, very important subjects are there. I think I have seen the videos yesterday. I don't think that any problem was there. Students, if you have any problem in the video or maybe question is there, you can pass comments anytime, as majority of the students are doing that. Okay? And still if your problem is there, doubts are there, when the school will reopen, definitely we are going to solve that. Class 10. Subjects yesterday, videos uploaded, maths, chemistry and English. Students, we got 70-75% response from students yesterday. I know after 10 days if I see 100% will be there, because our videos are there on YouTube and I think you can see after 2-3 days, 4 days, 5 days, so I think 100% will be there. But yesterday we got 70-75% response. And math subject was there. I have seen that. I think chemistry we got a very good response yesterday in class 10. English also I think more or less very good. Maths a very important subject for class 10. I think we got 50% response there. You need to focus on maths also. I mean to say all the subjects, but maths special. Class 10. And you are the board students now. So it's not that you are depending on when school will reopen and all that. Start study right now. In fact, still you are late. You had to start when the lockdown was there. I told you many a times, you have the textbook, you have the notebook, you have the reference book. You need to start that. So class 10, yesterday we got 70-75%, we want again 100%, and especially mathematics, there I think we got yesterday 50%, we need 90-95% on first day. Class 12 science, the subjects were physics, chemistry, biology and Arabic. Physics, chemistry and biology, backbone of science, identity of science. And I think we got more or less a good response from students. 80% students have seen the videos. So we are very happy with that. But remaining 20%, what are you doing right now? So see these videos as early as possible, please. Okay. And 12 commerce. I think Arabic was there as common to science and commerce. Economics, a very important and a backbone of the 12 commerce. And BS was there. Business study also very important subject. Unfortunately, comparing to 8, 9, 10 and 12 science, 12 commerce views right now I have to say, unfortunately very less are there. Only 40-45% students have seen yesterday. Students, we are observing everything. We take all the reports. We see all the aspects. We see how many minutes, how many views are there. On the basis of that, we formulate the timetable also. Students, when teachers are working hard, teachers are doing something special for you, they are coming from maybe 20, 25, 30, 40 kilometers just for this purpose only, then you have to give the response to that. I again say, if you have a question, comments are always valid. We try to give the answer to your comments if the comments are valid. But my humble request to you, just try to see the videos as many times as possible. Now again tomorrow I will come up with the report of today. Okay. Hope for the best. Keep watching the videos please. Thank you very much and have a very good day.